So, a couple of other things going on with me right now. I've got to install some new LED lights to my car. So both my Angel Eyes have decided to go, so I'm going to look at installing those. But in the meantime, I thought I'd order some more of these for you guys. I think these are the newer version Angel Eyes. So it's the H8. So I've ordered these, the Cree, I think it was called. Let it focus, if it will. Nope, don't want to focus. There we go. So I got these other headlight Angel Eyes as well, and they look really good actually. I really wish that they would fit mine, and then I would have definitely kept them and used on me. But no, so I've got these. I've got another set of these that are on its way over. This is going to be for the pre-facelift headlights. So you're going to be able to get these now. In order for you to be in the chance of getting these sent over to you for free, again, it's a free giveaway, free. All you gotta do is subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, and send me a message on Instagram just saying, hey, subscribe to your channel, I'm following you on Instagram and I would like to win the Angel Eyes. So that's just something I wanted to do. Again, trying to make this a good year, trying to build a bit of more of a community for us all. So get in touch with me and you can win that. This is just a quick look at the lights while it's on. Ooh, that's bright to look at directly. But yeah, I'm just test fitting it all right now. So yeah, test fitted this one. I'm just gonna actually show you guys how I did this one now. So it's quite easy to actually install these. Basically all you gotta do is take this off first, and that's the little cover that's just over here on the side. That allows you more access to reach in for the stock one. Just literally just unscrew it and then just pull it out and then disconnect the cabling and everything like that. And then basically connect it up to the new one, and then you just gotta slide this in. So you can see from the top here, got each three of these bits are different. So this one's kind of a bit more straight up and these ones are out to the side. So I just need to play around with it while it's in there. Voila, that's now on. Now I'm just going to test it on with the lights in place. There you go, there's a new Angel Eyes basically. It's annoying because my old ones are blown out, so I can't even do a comparison. But it looks much nicer. It looks about the same kind of brightness as the old ones. Maybe slightly brighter, but at least these ones are white and not yellow like the old ones were, which were halogen bulbs. So I'm just going to install this one now. This side's a little bit tighter because you've got this cable coming along, which is for the bonnet release latch. But you should be able to get enough space in there if you've got thin enough hands, which I do. So, and forearms and stuff as well, to reach in there and get that. There we go, that's both of them on. And as you can see, nice and white, which looks really nice and good. It just makes the car look so much more modern. I'm just going to turn the headlights on as well. I think the car needs to be turned on for that. I need the key in at least. And that's how it looks against the headlights. So there's the Xenons, and it looks a bit more of a similar color in real life than it is coming across in camera. But at least now you guys can see what it looks like. So everyone, I hope you will find that video useful on how to install the Angel Eyes. Now this was on a pre-facelift. I'm pretty sure it's the same process on the facelift LCI version as well. And like I said at the beginning of the video, hit me up on Instagram, hit me up here on YouTube as well. If you message me on YouTube, like leave a comment down below saying, yeah, I would like to win the Angel Eyes. Let me know as well which one you want. Is it the pre-facelift one or the facelift one? It's first come first serve everyone, so in order to get it, just let me know and we'll pick it up from there. I'll be in touch with you. And yeah, I think, you know what, let's wait until the 1st of February, okay? So you got just under a week, I should say, to win them. So yeah, get in touch. But yeah, for now, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.